Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 2E and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On the quick panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. Basically like the theater curtains or something like that. And this is the theater mode icon. And if you want to enable this mode, tap on the icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the theater mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color. It's barely visible because what the theater mode does, it basically dims your screen a lot and disables all of the notification sounds and stuff like that. Basically anything that could interrupt you during the movie or theater and stuff like that. And let's say you want to disable the mode, you need to wake up the screen, open the quick panel, tap on the theater mode icon, which is barely visible, but you need to tap on it, and the mode will be disabled. You can tell by the screen going back to the original brightness, and all of the other features like notification, vibration and sound should be enabled. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.